Welcome back! Get ready for 32 emoji puzzles that will test your brain. Can you solve them all? Let's go! Let's start with an easy one. Look closely at these emojis. You got it! Build, play, and have fun with a sandcastle. What amazing word do they make together? Can you guess it? Fantastic! Ice cream is the right answer. Ready for a tricky one? Look at these emojis. Amazing shot! It's basketball. So sweet and chewy. Can you guess this yummy word? That's right. The correct answer is gummy bears. Can you find all three differences before the timer ends? Look carefully. And good luck. Time's up. Let's see the three hidden differences. A sweet little fruit is hiding here. Can you guess the word? Fantastic! Cherry is the right answer. Can you guess this funny character from these two clues? That's right, the answer is Mr. Bean. Can you guess this famous store from these two clues? Great job! You guessed Walmart. Here's a delicious challenge. What's the hidden word? That's right, the answer is hot dog. Can you find the object that appears twice? Look carefully. You only have a few seconds. Awesome! The candy appears twice. Did you get it right? Comment your score below. Look carefully. Which word do these pictures make? Boom! The mystery word is windmill. Can you crack this one? What's the word? Excellent! You unlock the answer, toolbox. Can you guess this exciting word from these two clues? Boom! The correct answer is firecracker. What word do these two emojis make? Sweet! The correct answer is mooncake. Can you guess this famous landmark from these two clues? Excellent! You guessed Statue of Liberty. Can you arrange these letters to make a word? Excellent! The correct word is smile. Can you guess this famous movie from these two clues? Roar! The correct answer is Jurassic Park. Here's a refreshing one. What word do these emojis make? Yummy! The correct answer is milkshake. Look at these two emojis. What word do they make? Click, click. The correct answer is keyboard. Two emojis, one word. Can you figure it out? The ground is shaking. The correct answer is earthquake. Can you guess this weather word from these two clues? Splash. The correct answer is cloudburst. Count the tumblers. Look carefully. So you have just 10 seconds. Can you find them all? Time's up. The correct answer is 21 tumblers. Did you get it right? Let us know in the comments. Can you guess this magical winter decoration from these two clues? Wonderful. The correct answer is snow globe. Can you guess this delicious food from these two clues? Yummy! The correct answer is garlic bread. Can you guess this exotic fruit from these two clues? You nailed it! The answer is dragonfruit. Can you guess this amazing place in space from these two clues? Blast off! The correct answer is space station. Look carefully. Remember the position of every food. You have 10 seconds. Ready? Go! Go! Can you remember where the donut was? Pick a number from 1 to 6. The donut was at number 5. Did you get it right? Tell me your score in the comments. Something cool is hiding here. Guess the word. That's right. The correct answer is pop star. Can you guess this household item from these two clues? Excellent! The mystery item is laundry basket. Look carefully. Which sports player do these pictures make? Fantastic! The correct answer is Goalkeeper. Can you guess this fun toy from these two clues? You got it! The answer is puzzle box. This is the final challenge. Can you guess this exciting word from these two clues? Amazing! The correct answer is treasure chest. Did you solve all the emoji puzzles? Tell us how many you got right and don't forget to subscribe for more fun quiz challenges. See you next time.